So one question can interlink two or more syllabus topics, and these syllabus topics may not necessarily be of the same paper. For example, one topic can be of paper 1, another topic can be of paper 2. That is why it is advisable that you prepare in an integrated manner. Okay, and that is one of the reasons why in our answer writing programs we combine related topics so that candidates can prepare accordingly. Okay, so let's take a look at the question very minutely. Hypothesis is a statement of the relationship between two or more variables. Elucidate by giving examples of poverty and illiteracy. So, see the beauty of this question. First of all, a context statement is given. Hypothesis is a statement of the relationship between two or more variables. So it is like a definition or explanation of hypothesis. Okay. Now, in this context, the question is given elucidate by giving examples of poverty and illiteracy. So, it talks about two variables, right? So, here you have variable 1 poverty and variable 2 illiteracy. So, you have to explain the concept of hypothesis using these two variables. I hope you get the point. Now, let's read the answer. The name of the thinker and the definition of hypothesis is given, and then how hypothesis links two variables, that is also given. Okay, so this is a very good approach. Since it is a 10 marker, it can be shrunk to 4 to 5 lines. That would be better. Okay, now a diagrammatic representation of the variable interlinkage done by hypothesis is shown here. This is good, no doubt about it, but since it is a 10 marker, you can represent the diagrammatic representation of the variables given in the question: poverty and illiteracy, right? So from the 10 marker perspective, that would be good. With respect to poverty and illiteracy, the hypothesis is explained. So the independent variable and the dependent variable. So you can explain what can be the statement that is mentioned in the question. That hypothesis is a statement, right? So you mention the statement between poverty and illiteracy and how this statement is verified through research. Okay, so the findings of the research are mentioned here. 55% of landless laborers are Dalits, lower class families do not have enough resources. All these things are mentioned. Then while you are researching the validity of this statement, you might also come across evidences which falsify this statement. That also should be mentioned. So that is very well mentioned here, that even rich people can be illiterate, as it happens in many pockets of India. Now, influence of external variable, you can shrink this part so that you get extra space for the conclusion part, and in the conclusion part you can mention that how the caution must be taken while formulating the hypothesis and the role of hypothesis in sociological research, and one step beyond that, ensuring sustainable solution to social problems like poverty and illiteracy. That way you are interlinking your conclusion to the keywords mentioned in the question. That is the art of weaving the answer across the theme of the question. Okay, so I hope you got how to write a marks fetching answer. You can download the entire PDF from the link given in the description below. This PDF contains the links to our courses, our contacts. You can download the mark answer copy of Medha Anand, who got 310 in sociology, which is among the highest so far. Okay, see you in the next video. Take very good care of yourself.